Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JMEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line way down here is coming from, but that looks pretty goofy now being down there, but that just really shows kind of how powerful of today's price movement was. So I'm going to just use this line for a near-term level. Sure, it still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion, so I want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. So newest area of support, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support, is right up there at $3.50. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $3.50, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to hold above there, and I use the word continue because you can see a couple times throughout the afternoon, the bears did try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So if they can continue to hold strong like that, like I said, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength. Now, in the event the price falls below there, let's map out another couple areas of support. Next level of support would be down here at $3.20. So $3.20, $3.50, two of the near-term levels. But I believe I talked about it in yesterday's video. If not, I'm definitely going to talk about it here. For those of you that care about the big picture of things, just keep an eye on the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So from a big picture perspective, the easiest way to kind of just gauge and monitor the health of the current price movement is simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line increases, then the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this is going to get continuation next week, where are these battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, key battleground is just where the party stopped today, and that was right up there at $3.75. So $3.75, next key battleground next week. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building these higher bases over time, then the chart is going to continue to not only look great, but look that much better as time unfolds. So great way to end the week. We'll see what next week brings.